Namaste all of you. My name is Mohan. I am working as maths teacher in Bharati Vidya Bhavan's Tadepalligudem branch. Today I am going to tell you about even numbers, odd numbers, prime numbers and composite numbers. Now we are going to define even numbers, odd numbers, prime numbers and composite numbers. So let's start with define even numbers. Define even numbers. A number is said to be even if it is exactly divisible by 2 with remainder 0. For example, take 16. So 16 is our number. So divide 16 by 2. What we will get? Just observe. 2 divide 16. 2 how many times 16? 2 8s are 16. So 16 minus 16 is 0. Here 0 is the remainder. That is what we can understand here. Our number 16 is exactly divisible by 2 with the remainder 0. Exactly divisible means what? We should get the remainder as 0. So like this, so many numbers are there as even numbers. What are those? So therefore we have so many numbers: 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and so on. These are all examples of even numbers. Let's know about odd numbers. Odd number or odd numbers. See, a number is said to be odd number. A number is said to be odd number if it is not exactly divisible by 2. If it is not exactly divisible by 2. For example, let us take 17. Take number 17. So divide 17 by 2. Divide 17 by 2. 2 divide 17. How many times? 2 is 16. 17 minus 16 how much? 1. So 1 is the remainder. 1 is the remainder. Okay. So that means what? It is not exactly divisible by 2. The number 17 is not exactly divisible by 2. Exactly divisible means what? We should get the remainder as 0. This remainder is other than 0. Like 1, 2, 3, something else. Whatever it's the digits. Whatever it's the numbers. That means we are not getting 0. So here we got remainder 1. So its meaning, what can we understand here? This number 17 is not exactly divisible by 2. So that's why 17 is a odd number. So like that, so many numbers are there as examples for odd numbers. Those are therefore So therefore 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21 and so on, etc. So many numbers are examples for odd numbers. Now let's know about composite numbers. Composite numbers. Composite number. A number is said to be composite if it has more than 2 factors. A number is said to be composite if it has more than 2 factors. Let us take one number to check that. For example, we take 4. See, so just we have to find the factors of 4 here. So, see, first one, any number is divisible by 1. That means 1 can divide any number. So, 1 is a common factor to all numbers. So, 1 is a factor here. Next one, what is that? Yes, 2 can divide 4. So, 2 2s are 4. So, 2 is also a factor of 4. And is any chance for 3? Is 4 can divisible by 3? No, in 3 table 4 is not available, so 3 cannot divide 4. Next, number itself means 4 is divided by 4. So that's it, that is the last number. Itself means that is the last number. So 1, 2, 4 can divide 4. That means factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. So how many factors we found here? These are 3 factors. These are 3 factors. 3 means what? More than 2. More than 2 factors. 3 factors means what? More than 2 factors. So that's why 4 is a composite number. 4 is a composite number. And like this, so many numbers are there. Examples. So many examples are there for composite numbers. So for example, 4 already we wrote. Leave that. Next. 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 18, 20, 21, 22, 24 and so on, etc. So these are all the numbers for examples for composite number. Okay? Do you understand? Let's know about prime numbers. Prime numbers. Prime numbers. A number is said to be prime number if it has 1 and itself as factors. A number is said to be prime if it has 1 and the number itself as factors. A number is said to be prime if it has 1 and the number itself as factors. So, take a number. Let us take 2, number 2. For example, take 2. See, here we have to find the factors for this number 2. So, factors means what? Suppose you take 1. Is 1 can divide 2 or not? Yes, 1 2s are 2. So 1 is a factor of 2. Next, put the next number. Yes, in 2 table also 2 is there. So 2 is also dividing 2. So 2 can divide the number 2. So 2 ones are 2. So any other chance is there? Any other number can divide 2? No, no chance at all. So what are the factors of 2? 1 and 2. Here, try to observe how many factors we wrote here. Only 2 factors. These are 2 factors that are 1 and the number itself 2. Here we wrote the number itself 1 and the number itself. See, 1 came here and the number itself means this is the number and itself. That is 2 again. 2 means 2. Okay. 3 means 3. 5 means 5, like that. Okay. So 1 and 2 are the factors. That's why 2 is and what is it? 1 and 2 means what? Only 2 factors. That's why 2 is a prime number. So many examples are there for prime numbers. What are those? See, 2 already is there. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19 and so on, etc. These are all examples for prime numbers. So today we discussed about these 4 definitions: even number, odd number, composite number, prime numbers. So learn these definitions and practice all these definitions with examples at home. So this is today's topic. Thank you.